Hello, this is a quick video to show how to make passport size photo using Photoshop. Before creating a new file, we can check the passport size. We can check the passport size for your country. I will use the United States passport photo size in this example. For United States, we will use 2" times 2" photo size. We can check at the bottom. The correct size of passport photo is 2" times 2". So we can go back to Photoshop and create a new file. In the new document window, we can rename it. I will use US passport photo. And then for the units, we can switch to inch and type 2 in width and type 2 in height. For the resolution, we can switch to pixel per inch. I will use 300 in the resolution, and then I will keep this setting and create a new document. For checking the dimension, we can press Ctrl R to show the ruler, or we can go to View and here to show the rulers. And then we can right-click on the ruler to set the units. We can choose inch. So we can have the 0", 1", and 2" here. And then we can check the head size. In the head size, we need to use 1" to 1 3/8". So we can go back to Photoshop and click and drag from ruler and add the guide in 1" and add another guide to 1 3/8". Now I have a photo download from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now I click and drag the photo into this document, and then we can press enter to place the image in the layer. And then if we want to resize it, we can press Ctrl T to get the transform tool again. And then we can click and drag and press Shift to scale it in proportion. I will use Shift and Alt to scale it in proportion in both sides. So we can resize it to this and press enter. And I double check the head size is from here to here. So we can move the photo to make sure that we have the good positioning. The passport photo have done. So we can go to File and save a copy. And in the save as type, we can choose JPEG, and then we can save it. And we can choose the maximum quality and click OK. So go back to the folder. We can have the passport size photo using Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Martin Smith. See you in the next video. Bye bye.